You're not gonna cut yourself, guys. All right, guys, it's been a while, and I think it's time. 2 replacement blades for my beloved One Blade. And I've been using this guy off and on in reviews and trimming and things. I don't use it every day. 2 blades last up to 8 months. I'm gonna do a blade replacement, and then I'm gonna show you why I love One Blade so much. Just how quickly I can get rid of this 8-9 day beard. So let's do the replacement. In this kit, there'll be 2 cartridges. I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can pick up these replacement blades. Again, 2 with moderate use will last you almost a little more than half the year. All right. Comes in this little pack here, which is nice. They're individually kind of sealed up. So throw that one back in your drawer and let it wait, but there you go. So not only do you have to struggle once, you got to struggle twice. Well, let's take a look at this head here. So there's your new One Blade head. All right. Pivots both ways, very nice. We'll get rid of the old. You've done a good job, sir. Pops right off. Goes on one way, and there you go. This is why I love One Blade. Can't get much easier than that, guys. Look at that. Clean, relatively soft and smooth. Now, One Blade doesn't get as close as a traditional blade. But for many of us, that's okay. You know? If you want to go with the goatee, you could keep that. Let me show you something else that's really cool. Now, this is pre-shower, just got up, no shower, no irritation, no nicks, no cuts, nothing. Now look at this blade, no hair left over. I haven't cleaned it, but if I do need to clean it, I run it under some warm water and it's good. This is waterproof, guys. You can take it in the shower. You can use it with cream, you can use it dry. I find it works reasonably in both conditions, but let me show you. There you are, guys. Wet, dry, cream, lotion, whatever you want to do. Very comparable. No nicks, no cuts, no redness, no irritation. Just easy. I've got the Kenny Rogers look going. And it didn't take long. How long did that take? Now here you go. Run this under some warm water. And let's finish the shave up. All right. Look at how easy it just takes care of that hair. Look at all that hair, guys. All that white, coarse hair. Now, it's a bitch in the sink. You don't make friends in your house. But if you suffer, right, if you've suffered for many years with skin irritation, razor burn, razor rash, bumps, and all that. This is the solution, guys. And it's fun. Now, if you need to trim up, edge up, this is your perfect device. Look how thin that blade is. The fact that you can use both ends to trim is just incredible. I do a little bit of the Papa Tuttle, Orange County choppers. I could have that handlebar go if that's what I wanted to do. But I'm taking it all off today, guys, so here we go. That is kind of cool, though. Billy D. The homage to Billy D, or maybe your Juan Valdez. How you like that? Nice and easy. Again, guys, if you're looking for a comparable shave to like your traditional D or straight razor or a cartridge razor, this is not going to get you as close. But what it is going to provide you with is a nick, cut, irritation, worry-free shave for the casual guy. Now, if you need to go out to some event and you need a baby fine shave, just throw some more cream on and hit it with a pass of your favorite razor to give you that finished look. Today I'll go with a Jason Lutz Shop double edge razor for the final pass. I'm gonna go with the grain, guys. And just show you. You hear the blade doing the work, and that'll just address any of those hairs that I may have missed. As with any shaving device, you want to let the device do the work. You don't want to press, push, tug, because then you get into some trouble. You're not digging, you're shaving. Look at that. Nice and smooth, guys. My one blade is always my first pass on a long beard and the final pass just to trim up anything I missed anywhere around the sensitive bits. Maybe do a little edging. Very, very versatile tool. Around the Adam's apple. Perfect spot for one blade. You don't even have to worry about it. Again, my final pass with one blade just addresses any areas where I may have missed, so I do a little hand inspection in these areas here where it's hard to get a razor in and you really don't want to cut yourself. Right up around the lips. In fact, you're not going to cut yourself, guys. When's the last time you put a razor over your lips? Not one time. If I wanted to trim, and one blade also comes with combs, so if you want to keep the beard and you want to keep it at shorter lengths or different lengths, there are 3 or 4 combs that come. I haven't played around with those, and maybe I should do a video on those. So there's my quick overview to the most versatile men's grooming product on the market, guys. Again, I can use this wet, dry. I can use it to get rid of, hair in unsightly areas like in the nose and my ears here. Hair grows everywhere you don't want it to grow and stops growing on the top of your head. All right, guys, I want to thank you as usual for watching. I will see you again next time, which will probably be like tomorrow or the next day. But in the meantime, have a great day. And as always, keep
pushing
play.